In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll start from a simple Google search and end at the Buy button for the Luna USDT spot pair on Binance. I'll walk you through what you're seeing on each page, how to navigate confidently, and a few quick tips so everything feels clear and intentional as you go. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Binance. When the results appear, choose the official Binance website. Take a second to confirm you're on the legitimate domain before continuing. That quick check helps you avoid copycat sites and keeps your account safe. Once the Binance homepage loads, head to the top navigation and select Trade. This brings up the core trading tools. You'll often see several options here, but Trade is your gateway to the full exchange interface where you can analyze markets and place orders. Next, choose Spot. Spot trading is the most straightforward way to buy and sell crypto using funds you already own, with immediate settlement once your order is matched. Unlike margin or futures, there's no leverage involved here, so it's generally the simplest place to begin. Inside the Spot interface, use the market search to find Luna, then select the Luna USDT pair. USDT is a stablecoin that tracks the value of the US dollar, making it a common quote currency. After you click the pair, you'll land on the trading page for Luna USDT. Here, the price chart shows recent movements. The order book displays current buy and sell interest, and the recent trades panel gives a live snapshot of activity. Take a moment to orient yourself and get a feel for the current price and liquidity before placing any order. Now, move to the Buy Luna panel. Choose your order type. Market orders prioritize speed, filling at the best available price right now, which is useful if you want immediate execution. Limit orders let you set your exact price, which is helpful if you're aiming for a specific entry and are comfortable waiting. Enter the amount you want to spend in USDT or the quantity of Luna you want to buy. Double-check the total, glance at any displayed fees, and make sure everything matches your plan. When you're ready, click Buy Luna. A market order will typically fill right away. A limit order will sit in the book until the market reaches your price. That's it. You've navigated from a Google search to placing a Luna USDT spot buy on Binance. Trade thoughtfully, review details before you submit, and keep security practices in mind as you continue exploring.